Out the door.
Did he go? I don't know who to call. Oh my God. Do you want me to, like...
Hang on.
Birdie, go home, please.
Go
Just get out of there. Oh my gosh. Don't hurt the birdie, though.
No,
No, birdie, go. No, the other way, bird. Oh my God. Come on, bird.
out the window.
Figure it out. Figure it out, bird. Want me to call someone?
I don't know who to call.
Front desk?
Yeah.
They're closed. Give a...
Hang on, I gotta go over here.
Can I hide?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, fuck. Okay, so we come back from Boleros. We shut that place down. Oh, no, birdie. Go. It fell on the... It hit the window. And we got a bird in our room. Jim went out. Come on, birdie. He got it out. He got it out. He got it out. Oh, my gosh.
Wow.
Wowzer. Jim got a workout.
So, I went out on the balcony.
Yeah.
Because there's all these birds flying.
Yeah.
And that's one of them.
Oh, my God.
So I'm looking. I came to tell Valerie, come look at all these birds. I walk in and there's a bird flying at me. I'm like, oh my God.
I was in the bathroom. We shut down Boleros and I drank a little bit too much. And then we found a bird in our room.
Wow.
Holy something.
That is
That was fun. I don't know how much I got, actually.
Oh, wow.
Now we got bird flu stuff all over our bed, probably. Did it poop on our bed?
No.
Holy crap.
Wow.
Wow, Jim.